G'day, Graham here. Now tonight I'm going to tell you something about myself that I haven't told you before. Now, some of my friends, my long-suffering friends, call me a wall whisperer. Do you know what a wall whisperer is? Well, I'll tell you. Now, I'm a very tactile person. I like touching things. I actually love the texture of things. So, when I see a wall that I haven't seen before, I like to touch it. I like to feel its texture. Now, especially if it's a stone wall or a brick wall, it's got nice little jagged bits and rough bits and smooth bits. It has dimension in its texture. It's quite nice. It's a bit different to a painted wall or a gyprock wall. Wallpaper's quite nice to feel. Now, of course, when I'm touching these walls, I talk to myself about what sort of texture the wall is, and my friends think that I'm actually talking to the wall, and so they call me a wall whisperer. Now, my friends, do you think this is actually weird behaviour? Now, for me, talking to the walls is natural. Alright, let's do this. Is there a wall around you right now? Have a look. Go touch the wall. See what its texture's like. Feel its texture. Embrace the wall, the body of the wall, how strong it is, the temperature of the wall, and what you think it's made out of. It's quite exciting. You may even like becoming a wall whisperer yourself. Now, so please touch a wall and tell me what you think, because I'm not that crazy, am I? Anyway, enjoy being a wall whisperer. Anyway, take care, stay safe, bye for now.